Yo, what's up guys? It's Mike from 600 Garage. It's been a while. It's been like 6 months. A lot of things have happened to the SF5 Forester. We got Colin with us today. So, long story short, put coilovers on my car. And one of the rear coilovers wouldn't clear. And, I don't know, I'll just show you and explain. Okay, as you can see, this bottom threaded part of the coilover is like millimeters from hitting the arm, and my boy at the shop was like, hey, we can just chop that off, and I don't know dick about cars, and I was like busy, and I was like, all right, whatever, just get it done. And he cut into it and he said oil started coming out, and then I was like, wait, no, like that's there's fucking oil in a strut. What am I thinking? So yeah, so we gotta replace the rear coilovers, so that's what we're doing. And hopefully it'll ride okay, because right now, like every time I go over a dip in the road, the back end just fucking hops all over the place. So we're gonna be banging that out. I've also done a lot of things to the car in the past 6 months. Not really a lot. I've done just minor cosmetic stuff. I put wheel spacers on. I'll show that out in the sunlight when we get the car out of the garage. I put unequal length headers on, which sound really good. I know you guys saw the straight pipe video, or straight pipe muffler delete. But yeah, I got unequal length headers on there. Sounds good. And I think that's all I've really done. I don't know. I kind of forget what I do to this car. Oh, I got new tires, got some Nittos, some Neogens, and I wish I did a video on these wheels. These wheels used to be like completely curved to shit and just like looked like they've been sitting in a junkyard for 10 years, and I cleaned them up and painted them. And I think I did a pretty good job.
Hey,
here's one of them.
Yeah, fantastic.
Like, some people be saying, hey Mike, is that shit powder coated? And I'm like, no, it's spray paint because I'm a degenerate. So, we're gonna, this isn't a tutorial video, we don't do that shit here. Just gotta take these bolts off, you know. I'm sure all y'all done coilovers before, it's pretty straightforward. So, we're gonna take the coilovers off, put the new ones in, put the car back down on the ground, take it for a spin, make sure nothing falls off, and that'll be it. Alright, so we got one side in. The coilovers were seized, so we measured it, and the rear ones were like between 1/4 and a 1/2 inch shorter, so hopefully it'll make everything flush. So we'll bring you guys back when we get the other side done. So I don't know, they're not labeled. I was looking on the coilover to see if it was left or right, but they're both identical, so I have no idea what's going on with these things. So, hopefully, I don't know, we'll have to wait and see until the car's on the ground with the tires on. You know, sometimes I gotta show that I work on my own car. A lot of people will say I don't, because I'm not a mechanic. That's just not true. I just don't know shit. I look everything up on YouTube, just like you, watching this video, thinking that you're gonna learn something. You're not going to. I'm doing coilovers. You take off 5 bolts, you put it back in. It's easy work. So what we're doing is, we're taking these 2 bolts off, supporting the hub with the jack. Then I'm gonna climb up in the back, and we're gonna zip off the top 3 bolts, slap in this coilover, and then we're gonna be done. This is gonna be a short video, but it'll be fun. Also, y'all gotta check it. I'm ripping the No Style. Reppin' No Style for No Style Kyle. Big shout outs to the homies out on the fucking West Coast. The Cali boys. So yeah.
East Coast does the same.
East Coast, West Coast. I can't find this fucking nut.
Of course you can.
No.
You don't nut enough. Till next time.
Now we'll see if it's bouncier or not.
Coilover test 1.
And I'm gonna be very sad. No, you can film me, man. The road's boring. I'm excited.
You gotta see the front end, dude.
Fuck the front end.
That's a little bit better.
That's 100% better. This is the dip that'll tell. See if my head hits the ceiling.
All right, but
Oh, better. Better.
little bounce, but
No, it was way worse before. Here's another dip. This is the bad one. Let's see if we... it's better. It's better. I give it better. I don't think Colin's driven the SF before.
nah, never driven a manual Forester in my life.
All right.
Well, your clutch is so nice compared to my STI.
Yeah, dude.
That thing is broken, dude.
She scrapes.
I test your rub, yeah, you got a little rub. Do another one right here. Hard lift. Not bad. I see where it's at. I'm not egging
It's
it on, but
rubbing-
I see where it's at.
All right. So it's rubbing more than it was before, but we didn't even touch the front end. That's weird.
Man, it's so nice to feel a nice clutch.
Yeah, it's light as fuck.
You gotta drive mine, dude. That
I
thing
have
is
driven your
horrible.
car. His car
It's
is like,
horrible.
I think I stalled your car.
That clutch, I don't blame you, dude.
No,
it's
I drove
trash.
the STI. I drove the STI like a month ago and I stalled it.
How have you want me to go? All the way up? All right.
Yeah.
No, the DCCD is fucked. The front diff is what's fucked. Not you can't fuck a STI trans, but I will say that front diff is, if you don't roll it all the way back,
Yeah.
you're for a world of trouble. At least with mine. Once you get it though, I mean, she performs and shit, but there's something. It's not as smooth as this.
Dude, the Foz
It
is a
should
nice
be-
car.
Yeah, this is,
Even on coils,
it's
it's not
nice.
bad.
It's nice. A little bit of a bounce, but. Oh, that's nice, dude. I take this shit all around town, bro. You serious?
Oh yeah. I'll get some B-roll footage. Alright guys, that's it for today. We got the Forester all tightened and buttoned up. I don't know what's coming next. I think I might try my hand at window tinting. So I might do a window tinting video soon. Maybe wait for it to get warmer because it is wintertime here in Virginia. It is very cold and I imagine that sticky stuff like window tint doesn't really want to apply in the cold. So, I don't know, I might do a window tinting video next. I'm buying a front lip for the Forester. I'm going to paint that too, so for paint match. So I'm thinking, yeah, I think I'm going to do a front lip and tint for the next 2 mods for the Forester. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you watched it all the way through, I appreciated it a lot. Colin appreciates it. We might do a video on the STI over there sometime. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.